Fixing an HP printer claim code. For HP printers purchased before 2020, a claim code is used to add your network-connected printer to your HP Smart account. After entering your claim code, if you encounter an error, you might receive one of the following error messages: invalid claim code, unexpected error, expired code, error 500, printer code not recognized, printer already claimed. If you receive an error message like this and cannot continue printer setup or instant ink enrollment, then resetting web services to get a new claim code can fix the issue. Step 1. Reset the web services connection. Web services enables an internet connection between your printer and HP services. You can reset web services from the settings menu in the Printer Embedded Web Server, or EWS for short. Resetting web services removes all custom HP ePrint settings, such as your personalized email address. To reset web services using the EWS, you first need to obtain the printer IP address. For touchscreen printers, navigate to the Wireless Details or Network Settings menu, and the IP address is displayed. For non-touchscreen printers, press the Information or I button to print a report. The printer IP address appears on this report. Once you have the printer IP address, open a web browser, enter the IP address in the URL search field, and select Search. If you encounter a warning message, select the option to proceed to the site. Accessing the printer EWS will not harm your computer. From the EWS homepage, click the Web Services tab. If you are prompted to log in or enter the printer PIN, enter the PIN from the printer label, typically located inside the printer access door. Then click Submit or OK. Under Web Services Settings, select Remove Web Services, and then select Yes. When the Web Services Setup page displays, select Continue or Enable, and then follow the instructions to turn it back on. Step 2. Find the printer claim code. After enabling web services, an information page prints that lists the HP ePrint email address and printer claim code. Find the new printer claim code on the information printout or on the printer control panel display. The claim code is a string of text and letters unique to your printer, typically listed underneath the ePrint email address. Step 3. Manually claim your printer on the HP Smart website. As a workaround, you can manually claim your printer on the HP Smart website when you are experiencing issues claiming your printer. Go to the HP Smart website at hpsmart.com and then create or sign into your account. After signing into your account, go to hpsmart.com/newprinter. On the Add a Printer webpage, enter the claim code, and then click Add. The printer is then added to your HP Smart account, and the HP ePrint settings page displays. If claiming the printer is successful, you can now finish setting up your printer with the HP Smart app or enrolling the printer in HP Instant Ink. If none of these steps resolved your issue, contact HP customer support at support.hp.com/contact for further assistance.